Cooking is something which I was not really fond of, and now there is a time like I actually enjoy cooking a lot. Hey, this is Varsha Punjabi from The Wanderer Foodie. I make videos on my food and travel experiences. Today's video is about a series which I'm starting. 2 things I've never cooked before. Cooking is something which I was not really fond of. I never really enjoyed cooking. It was always due to responsibility, like when my mom is not feeling well or when some guests come up. Though I'm cooking since my childhood, but never really enjoyed the process or felt good while cooking. Though I enjoy eating good food, having good food, but never enjoyed making good food. And one of the reasons of not enjoying cooking was being a girl. I've always been said that you have to cook good food to impress others, which is the thing I never wanted. Now things are a little different since I took a break from my previous job and tried different things. So out of those different things was trying some new recipes as well. And even though I tried making them for the very first time, but those dishes turned out to be really good, where I explored myself that yes, I like cooking and I really enjoy the process. And now things are so different. Even though I cook sometimes, but I really enjoy the process of cooking, enjoy the whole thing, and I love making good new food or new dishes. And that's how I came up with the idea of coming up with this series of 2 things I've never cooked before. I would be not only making new dishes, but also I would be reviewing my own cooked food. So we're gonna start with 2 things I've never cooked before, and today's menu is watermelon mojito and pink sauce pasta.
सॉस बनाने के लिए मैंने 2 टेबलस्पून बटर लिया हुआ है एंड 1 कप ऑफ मैदा जो इसमें मैं डाल रही हूँ, एंड इसको हम साथ में मिक्स कर लेंगे. अभी हमारा बटर एंड मैदा एक दूसरे में काफ़ी अच्छे से ब्लेंड हो चुका है. अभी मिल्क डालेंगे 1 ग्लास थोड़ा थोड़ा करके, एंड देन वी विल मिक्स इट. जब तक हमारा सॉस बन रहा है तब तक मैंने साइड में पास्ता भी बॉईल करके रख दिया है ऑलरेडी. अब मैं इसमें 2 टेबलस्पून ऑफ पिज़्ज़ा पास्ता सॉस डाला है मैंने इसमें. सम केचप एंड 2 टेबलस्पून्स ऑफ शेजवान. अब हम तीनों को मिक्स कर लेते हैं.
अब इसमें हम लोग इसकी कंसिस्टेंसी को थोड़ा पतला करने के लिए जो पास्ता का जो पानी निकला हुआ था उसको हमने फेंका नहीं है, वही हम इसमें डालने वाले हैं. ये कितना क्रीमी लग रहा है यार, बहुत मस्त लग रहा है. और इसका स्मेल, हमारा ये सॉस ऑलरेडी बॉईल हो चुका है और इसकी कंसिस्टेंसी भी काफ़ी अच्छी लग रही है, काफ़ी थिक हो चुका है. सो नाउ लेट्स ऐड द
वेजीज़ में मैंने कैप्सिकम एंड ऑनियन लिया हुआ है, उसके ऊपर सॉल्ट एंड पेपर डाल के उसको सॉटे किया हुआ है. नाउ वी ऐड द बॉइल्ड मैक्रोनी पास्ता. अभी हम इसमें थोड़ा सा सॉल्ट ऐड कर लेते हैं. 1 टीस्पून ऑफ ब्लैक पेपर, रेड चिली पाउडर, अमचूर, 1 टीस्पून ऑफ अमचूर, and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. So what I've done is I've made a desi, the spicy chatpata with all the spices in it. After mixing it, keep it for like 5 minutes, keeping the lid on it, and then serve it.
And my pasta is ready. Let's try it out. वाओ, ये पिंक सॉस पास्ता एकदम ही चटपटा एंड स्पाइसी बना हुआ है. ये काफी स्पाइसी है. आई एम द पर्सन हु प्रेफर्स इट अ मीडियम स्पाइसी. सो अगर आप लोग को स्पाइसी पसंद है सो दिस इज द परफेक्ट वन. एंड मैंने इसमें जो शिमला मिर्च है इसको मैंने ज्यादा लाइक सॉटे नहीं किया था, उसको सॉफ्ट नहीं किया था, तो उसका क्रंचीनेस भी बहुत अच्छा लगा. इसकी जो एक्चुअली कंसिस्टेंसी है ये थोड़ा सा ड्राई हो गया है सॉस, बट इट कुड हैव बीन मोर क्रीमी. सो नेक्स्ट टाइम आई विल ट्राई कि ये क्रीमी हो ज्यादा. And I would rate this dish 7.5 out of 10. यहाँ मैंने वाटरमेलन कट करके रखा हुआ है, पाउडर्ड शुगर, salt, mint leaves, lemon, and you can use Sprite or soda, whichever is convenient to you. Now we start. Take 4 to 5 pieces of watermelon in a glass. Add some lemon to it, and we'll add some 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, a pinch of salt, some mint leaves, and we'll mutter it. Now we add some ice cubes and we add Sprite. Mix it. And this mojito is ready, and now I'm gonna try it. थोड़ा sweet ज़्यादा हो गया है. I should have added some chaat masala to it.
This watermelon mojito is so refreshing and flavorful. Totally loved it.
These recipes are taken by, obviously I've taken from some accounts, so I'll share it in the description box with the account handle, so you can check it out, their pages as well. I would like to know recommendations from you guys. Which 2 dishes would you want me to try? And let me know in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe to my channel.